Now I'm sharing my screen with you. In this, you have to look this chapter number 8, HTML list and create table. This chapter I have completed. Look this, all the topics once again. How to create a list, this we have covered. Unordered list tag, this also we have covered. Then next is ordered list. With the example I have covered. Definition list. Next is nested list. After that, block quotes. Then how to create tables. In that we have discussed about table tag and its attributes. Then table row, this I also explained with you, shared with you. Then table data means TD tag with its attribute like align tag, v align, width, height, no wrap, bg color. Next example of this. After that, yesterday means in the previous class, I explained about the table header means TS tag, and one more topic, caption tag. This I shared with you. And last is how we create empty cell in the table. This one. This is the last topic which is given in your book. These all the topic I discussed with you. If anybody having doubt in these topics, please ask your doubts, means unmute yourself and then give your question to me. If you are having any doubt in any topic, now unmute yourself and then ask your doubt if you have. Otherwise, send your reply in the manner of thumb impression, then write something about these topics in chat box or whatever manner you have.
No, sir.
Very good. Reply me. Reply immediately, beta. Very good. Ritika, you have doubt? Anchal, any doubt? Reply me. Anshika Dikshit, any doubt? Reply me, reply. Dhruv Baba is saying that in nested list. In nested list, you are having doubt. Dhruv Baba. Okay. No problem. I will explain again. Don't worry. Nested list. Nested list, where it is. After this one, I think nested. Yes. Look this topic. The list within the main list is called nested list. Nested list means one list is given inside another list. Is this type of list is known as nested list. Here, here one example is given, games. So look this with the help of example. Example I am making here. First of all, write HTML because HTML is a root tag, and then head, then write title, example of nested list. Then close your title tag. After that, close head tag. Then start body tag. Now what I want to make? I want to make example just like this one. Games as a heading, one number indoor game and second number is outdoor games. So for this, first I write B, that is for bold, and heading like games. Games. So GAMES, games. Now B tag is closed. Then here you look, there is one underline also given in below of this game. Below of this, there is a underline. Now look this. So underline will come when you write U tag. U tag is for underline. Now this is U tag. Close your U tag. Then what I want to write? I want to write indoor games. Its number is 1. So means this is a ordered list. This is a ordered list. So below of this, start your ordered list. And inside this, we want to write this indoor games. Indoor games. So list item for this is LI. List item is indoor games. And then close your LI tag. Then look this. Only indoor games is given या written with number 1. इंडोर गेम ही है जो सिर्फ 1 के साथ लिखा है. रिमेनिंग थिंग्स लाइक लूडो, चेस एंड कैरम, दीज आर रिटन विद बुलेट्स. ये बुलेट्स हैं. तो मींस दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. सो हियर आफ्टर दिस li we want to create another tag that is called ul called unordered list. ul is called unordered list. Listen this. Now ul tag is written inside ol tag. This type of list is known as nested list. जब एक लिस्ट आपकी दूसरी लिस्ट के अंदर आती है तो यहाँ पर ये नेस्टेड लिस्ट का काम करेगी. देखो ये यूएल टैग है, ये ओएल टैग के अंदर आ रही है, तो इसलिए ये नेस्टेड लिस्ट है. नाउ एड सम आइटम्स इन इट. तो एल आई फर्स्ट आइटम इज कैरम. CARROM, carom. Second is chess. CHESS. Then LI. Next is Ludo. And then close LI tag. Now first UL tag is over. Look this. Here UL tag is this much. यहीं तक है UL tag. Now this is over. So close your UL tag. Close your UL tag. Now look this. This complete UL tag is written inside of this OL tag. OL के अंदर मैंने UL tag लिखा है. तो मतलब OL means एक ordered list है, उसके अंदर मैंने एक unordered list बनाई है. So this type of list is known as nested list. Now see your output till now, how it will appear. Now close OL tag, then close body tag, then close HTML tag. Clear? After that, save your file on the desktop and name it nested nested list.html. Then click on save button. After saving your file, you see the file is available here. Its name is nested list. Double click on this file. Now see the output. Games as a heading. Games as a heading with underline. Now number 1, indoor games. Look this. Number 1 indoor games. First bullet carom, second में chess, third में ludo. If you want to create another thing like outdoor games, यहाँ पर जैसे आया था ना outdoor games, if you want to write this one, so what you have to do? After closing this UL, again you have to write li. Now this li works inside OL tag, and here you have to write outdoor games, and then close li tag. Now write this again, start UL tag and write li for this outdoor games. Our outdoor games name are written here like football, cricket and tennis. Football, close this, cricket and tennis. And close your UL tag. This much, and save your file once again. Now save your file, minimize it, right click, reload. Now see the output. Number 1 indoor games, carom, chess, ludo. Number 2 outdoor games, uske andar football, cricket and tennis. Now this is an example of nested list. Any doubt? Now it is clear. Dhruv Baba, it is clear. Dhruv Baba, I am asking to you, it is clear? Remaining all, it is clear? बाकी सबके लिए भी ये क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kamakshi Tiwari, it is clear because you have written no, sir. You have given message no, sir. Is it clear or not, Kamakshi Tiwari? Yes, yes, it is clear. Okay. Very good. Any one other things? Gauri Bansal send a message. Sir, please explain how to create empty cell in a table and block code. Okay, don't worry. Now look this. How to create empty cell. First, we go there. How to create an empty cell. Look. Empty cell in the table, na? Take another page, new page. Make some example, HTML, then head, then title, then title is empty cell. Cells. Then now close cell. Now close this title tag. Then close this head tag. After that, start body tag. Then start table tag. And its border is 1 equals to 1. Now close this. Then create TR, that is called table row. In that first value TD, like I'm writing some alphabets like A, then close it, then B. It means in the first row I want to make 2 columns with 2 values like A and B, and then close TR tag. Now create another row, and in that first column I want to leave blank For leaving blank, here we used ampersand NBSP semicolon and then TD close. After that, write C, then close this TD tag and then close TR tag, then close your table, then close your body, then close your HTML. After closing all the tags, save your file. Its name is empty cell dot html and then save your file on the desktop. Now see your file. Look this. Their border is not appeared. Look this. Border is not appeared. Why? Just see this. Because the spelling of border is wrong. Now correct the spelling BORDER. Then save your file again. Then right click and reload. Look this. Here first cell having value A. Second one value is B. But the third one cell, this is the empty cell. Look this. This one is empty. So empty cell we have to create with this line. With this line. Here I have one tag that is called ampersand NBSP. Here NBSP is for number of space. It is used to provide space because we don't want to put any value in this cell. That's why I have put here space. Clear? And suppose you want to change its background color. So BGCOLOR color equals to red like this. Now save your document by pressing Ctrl plus S and then कितने बजे? 12:45 पे.
7 से 12 तक की टीचर्स की.
Now see this background color is this. Oh, तो गया 12:45. Okay. Clear? This the background color is red. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.